back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite products and a few disappointments from this month. I've tried a lot of new products this month and I've bought a lot of new products, and I've also signed up for BoxyCharm last month and this month, so I have a few new things to show you, and yeah. But before we start this video, I want to quickly mention that I've partnered with Violet Suzette Productions. They do webcomics and other cool stuff, and they have a Discord page, and if you're not familiar with Discord, it's basically an app where you can chat with people, and there are servers where you can chat with people on them, and they have a Discord server where I'm in it, and they have a little like a chapter, like a little page in the server for my videos, so you can chat with me on the Discord link, and I'm going to post links to whenever I upload videos and stuff like that, so that'll be down in the description below if you want to check that out. Also, I will have all of the products that I mentioned in the description below, along with the link to the Discord page where you can chat with me, and I'll also have my Instagram link down below. Okay, my first favorite is the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collaboration. This is the Super Shop Cheek Highlight in the shade On the Cusp. I did a review on my channel this month, on the 5th of this month, where I reviewed the entire Zodiac collection, and not the entire collection, but I reviewed the palette, this highlight, and one of the supernova shadows, because those are the only items in the collection that I picked up. But there is another highlight, another supernova shadow, and there are 2 lipsticks in the collection. So I only picked up about half of the collection. But anyway, this is the Super Shop Cheek Highlighter in the shade On the Cusp. I'm wearing it today. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pretty. It's my new favorite highlighter. It's so intense, and I know that everyone uses it with their fingers to apply it, but I can't do that, so I use my highlighting brush, and it works perfectly fine. It's still really, really beautiful and really blinding, not natural at all, which I love, and it's truly incredible. I believe it is like $8, which is amazing because it's incredible. My next favorite is the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Parma. I don't know if I already put this in my favorites video last month, but just in case, this is a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow. Everyone's been raving about these since last year, and last month I got this specialty Sephora box. I haven't edited that video yet, but I filmed it last month, and this came in it, and it's a very tiny, miniature size. This is what it looks like. You know, the Stila liquid eyeshadow. But anyway, this is my first time trying them this month, and they are amazing. They're different from the ColourPop Supernova shadows because those are more metallic, and these are more glittery and sparkly, and I think this is my favorite, but the ColourPop ones are like less than half the price of the Stila ones, and you get more product with the ColourPop ones, so those are definitely a good alternative to these, but they are amazing. Okay, so my next 2 favorites both are mascaras, and they both came in a BoxyCharm. So I got my first BoxyCharm last month, and I got this mascara. I didn't film my BoxyCharm last month because I got it at the end of the month, because I signed up very late in the month, but I got this amazing mascara from Wonder Beauty. This is the Unlashed a tube like this. And before, a month ago, I was not wearing mascara because my eyelashes don't curl for anything. I've used an eyelash curler, mascaras that say that they're going to curl it, but my lashes stick straight out and they go in different directions, and mascara only enhanced that, so I never wanted to use mascara. But when I got this and tried it, it changed my life forever. It makes them so long and it curls them and gives them volume. Here's a picture of my lashes with this mascara on. It just does wonderful things for my lashes, and it really is a life changer. And then in this month's Boxy Charm, which I made a video about, so if you haven't seen that video, it's on my channel if you want to check it out. But I got this lifted mascara from Tarte, and this is a black brown. It's not like a pure black, it's like a really dark brown color. And it does similar things to the Wonder Beauty. I like the Wonder Beauty mascara better than this one because it curls them more and gives them more volume. But if I hadn't tried the Wonder Beauty, this would be my favorite mascara because it does way more than any other mascara I've tried besides the Wonder Beauty one. I really like it. It gives me more of a natural look because it's not pure black like the other one is. But I really like it and I really recommend it. It doesn't really lengthen them that much, but it is nice. My next product I also got in my August Boxy Charm, and it is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. A lot of people hate this palette. They say it doesn't blend well, it's chalky, it's not pigmented, but I have tried 3 of the shades, and I honestly love it just for the orange color. It's a very, very vibrant palette, but the orange color I'm wearing today, can you see it? I'm wearing like an orange cut crease today, and the orange is really pigmented, one of the most pigmented oranges I've ever tried, and so then that is the reason why this is one of my favorites. I also love the packaging of it, because the mirror folds back, and I really like the packaging. It's really sleek and compact. I love the colors. I haven't tried the blues and the purples, but I've tried the pink and the orange, and I really like them. So I don't really know why other people don't like the palette. I think it's mainly because they don't like Laura Lee, which I don't know. I was her fan, but then some weird stuff has been happening, so I don't know. But anyway, I really like the palette. It's $19, which is not a bad price, but you're not getting a whole palette, so I don't know. My final favorite is, of course, the Kathleen Life and ColourPop Zodiac palette. This is, oh my gosh, this is an amazing, amazing palette. If you want to see my review on this, it's on my channel. I reviewed the entire palette, and I've been using this like this entire month. It is so incredible. It is so incredible. These are the shades, and the shades are so unique and beautiful, and I love the matte colors. I think my favorite shade in the palette is the Taurus, which is this one right here. It's a perfect tan, delicious color for the crease. And I also love all of the shades, honestly. But I love the Libra right here, which is a very basic color that you wouldn't think is that amazing, but the Libra and the Taurus are my favorite colors in the entire palette. I use them pretty much every day. I also love this electric aqua color, which is the Pisces. So this palette is $16 without a mirror, but if you want a mirror, it is $18. I get a mirror because I don't bring a mirror with me whenever I travel and stuff, and so I thought that the size of this would be perfect for a mirror for traveling. Anyway, it's a great palette. It's affordable, great quality, amazing. Definitely get it right now. Okay, now on to the disappointment. Okay, so my first disappointment is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I know a lot of people love this, but there are a lot of people who don't like it. It's very mixed reviews, but I got this in my specialty Sephora box. That video will be out in September, but I do not like this mascara at all. I don't like the texture that it gives my lashes. I really don't like thickening mascaras. I like mascaras that will curl my lashes and separate my lashes, and I don't feel like this does that. If you want really thick mascara, really thick lashes, then you might like this, but I don't like it. Honestly, whenever I saw the wand, I didn't think I was gonna like it because it doesn't look like one of the wands that curl your lashes. So I'm gonna be giving this to my mom or my sister because they'll probably like it. I just do not like this at all. And by the way, this is a miniature size, it's not the full size. Okay, my last item in this entire video, my last disappointment, is the NYX Ultimate Bright Palette. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I was really excited because I love playing with colorful eyeshadow. And there's a yellow down here in the corner, and y'all know I'm on the hunt to find a super pigmented yellow, and since everyone's been raving about this, I thought I found it, and I was very wrong. These shades are not pigmented at all, and so I went to watch tutorials and using it to see like if other people were having similar problems or if it was pigmented. Like, I wasn't sure if I had gotten like a bad batch or not, and in the videos they seem really pigmented. So I went in the comments on the videos, and a lot of other people said that their palette does not perform the same way that it did in the video. So I'm pretty sure that there's a bad batch out there, but that really sucks because these are like $18, and that's kind of expensive for something that isn't good at all. So I never use this because it does not do anything for me. I don't recommend this because you could be wasting your money on a bad batch, and NYX, you need to fix this because this is kind of expensive for a drugstore brand, especially when it doesn't perform well at all. I do like the packaging though. It feels like really thick and sturdy, but not too bulky. I'll give them that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to go check out the link down in the description to chat with me on Discord, and check out Violet Suzette Productions webcomic. All of these products will be linked down in the description below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I've had my mascara on for a while now, but look at my lashes. Can you see? My eyelashes look amazing. This is my eyeshadow. Ow.